Welcome! Today I will be taking you through a tutorial on how to access your student's EClass page through the student portal. So the first step is going to be to go to the Gwinnett County Public Schools website, and if you look in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a link to your student's EClass page. So you're going to go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you to a sign-in page. Now your students already know their username and login password. Their username is going to be their 200 number they use every day for lunch, and they already know what their password is because they've accessed their EClass multiple times at school already. So after they put in their username and password, they're going to sign in, and then they'll be taken to their EClass homepage in the student portal. Now this is just a sample homepage, so your student won't have this many textbooks, but they will have the science, social studies, and math textbooks for their grade level. If your student forgets their textbook at school, all they have to do is click on the appropriate book, and there you go. A great feature to this is the option to have the text read audibly to the student. Another great resource on their EClass homepage is they have a very large library of leveled readers available to them, and they are separated by reading level, Fontes and Pinnell reading level. So if you have an early reader, let's say your child is on a level E, all they have to do is click on that level and they'll be granted access to a ton of really fun books that's perfect for where they are. Students will be able to make the print smaller or larger as they need to. They can print the pages in the book if you'd like to use them at home, and then they can also play it audibly. And this goes all the way from level A to Z. Another great feature they have access to is MegaMath. And MegaMath is just a collection of math games. All your student has to do is select the skill that they'd like to work on, and a game is populated. Here's an example.
Hi, I'm Penny. Welcome to Fraction Flare-Up. In this module, you will use fraction bars to make all kinds of fractions and explore the relationships between them. Click this Help button if you are not sure what you need to do to answer a question.
The games are a lot of fun and really engaging for students from any grade level. Another feature your student has access to is our media catalog. The feature that I wanted to show you in this is the advanced search option. Now, this database includes books from all of Gwinnett County, so if there is a book that your child would like and we don't carry it, you can request it and we can have it sent from any school in the county. If you look here in the middle at the top, if you click on Advanced Search, this is a great way for you to help your students choose books that are just right. You go all the way to the bottom where it says Limit My Search to, and select Fontes and Pinnell. Select books in the range of your child's reading level. Let's say they're on an N. You could select from M to O, and then click Go. And what's populated below is just a plethora of books that are just right for your child that they can check out from our library. One of the most important resources we have available to your child on EClass is our online research library. And this is right here, the second app. As you can see, when all of the resources are pulled up, it is quite an extensive list of books and databases that are available to your child. But what I want to draw your attention to are two things here on the left. The first is ebooks, which is another great way for you to have books that they can read from home. And the second thing I wanted you to take a look at was the databases. Now these are really great to use when a student is conducting research from home. As you can see, there's just a plethora of resources here for them. Something I wanted to quickly draw your attention to was Pebble Go, because I feel like this is appropriate really for K to 5. So all you have to do is click open, select your area of interest. For example, 4th grade is studying explorers right now. And here you have a ton of great information, colorful images, and the option for the text to be read aloud. Another great tool on the online database is the Power Knowledge Science series. And here's an example of Power Knowledge Earth and Space Science. And as you can see, there are tons of relevant topics they can choose from and narrow their focus even more. And again, they're provided with videos, text, and all kinds of extra information. Something I wanted to point out here was the option to change the language that the text is in. All you have to do is select the language of choice, and it instantly converts all the information. This is such a great tool. Now back to our home page. The last app on our list is the Assessment tab, and this is just for when your students are taking part in standardized tests at school. It's not really something that you're going to be able to access from home, but just so that you know that that is. One final thing is if you look in the top right, click where it says grades, you'll have access to all of your child's current grades. Now this is just a demo account, so don't worry, we're not looking at a student's real grades. But if you click on the subject, you'll be able to see the breakdown by individual assignment. Or if you look from the dashboard, you'll be able to see your students' progress in each of their classes. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about your child's EClass. I really hope that you explore this resource with your child and take advantage of all it has to offer. If you have any questions, you can email me using the link below. Thank you.